a structure and process and the configurations and real-time scenarios in ECC as well as okay. And we will going to see all these configurations in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, now what we need to do is um, when it comes to the FICO enterprise structures and all, we have to create a company code and company and business areas and all using transaction codes OX15s, OX02, OX16s and all. Okay, see, when it comes to the transaction codes that are obsoleted from the particular SAP FICO S4 HANA, we will going to discuss, okay, each and everything. Now, what we need to do is we will going to finish each and every lecture within some point of time. Okay, automatically see whatever the configurations that you have seen in the ECC, you will going to see all these configurations in the SAP S4 HANA only. But the major thing is that so you will going to see some changes. Okay, you will going to see some changes in S4 HANA also. Okay, so based on the business partners and the customer master data and vendor master data and all, you will going to see each and every changes in this particular what we can say, that is for HANA. Okay, can you go to the transaction code OX15 and we will going to see the uh, hmm. See here you will going to have Fiori apps, you will going to have normal things. Okay, and we will going to see all these things in normal only, not in the Fiori app. And Fiori app, it will take a lot of time. Okay, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so that is why, so we are just following SAP S4 HANA. Okay, this is the S4 HANA access only. Okay, give your user ID and password. Yes. Okay, right. So what we need to do is, can you change this size? Okay, and go to the system and see, log off once again and go to the login option. Go to the log off and go to the login option. Okay, can you give the user ID and password, and we will going to see the each and every S4 HANA configurations in SAP FICO S4 HANA. Okay, you can able to see session manager and S4 HANA and these instructions and all. Okay, can you go to the transaction code OX15? Now we will going to do the configurations for the SAP S4 HANA. Okay, all of you, and give me 1 second. Okay, then see, what do you mean by company code? You know it very well. Okay, this company code is an organizational financial unit where individual financial statements can be drawn according with appropriate commercial and legal requirements. See, this company code, company has several types of local currencies where we can derive separate financial statements, that is profit and loss accounts and balance sheet. A company has several types of company codes, but it acts as a single unit for which financial statements are available. We will going to use one transaction code, that is OX15. Can you go to the transaction code OX15 and go to the new entries, and you will going to create one thing. Yes, give the company and give the company name, ship, and the company name is anything, ship business and crew. Okay, and the name of company to whatever you want, you can just give it, otherwise no issue. And here in the detailed information, you can just give street as anything, and the post office box, and the next one is postal code, and the city is Vizag, and country is IN, and the language key is, what is the language key? EN, and the currency is INR. Click on the enter. Can you go to the save button and save it? See, in the ECC only, so you will going to do like this. Okay, so can you give /n and go to the next configuration? What is the next configuration here? Okay, I will do one thing. So I will going to give you the transaction codes. Next configuration is company code using transaction code OX16. Creation of company code, sorry, OX02. Creation of company code using transaction code OX02. Okay. Can you go to the new entries? We will going to create a company code using transaction code OX02. Okay. And then next here give your company code name, and then next one is address and country and languages and all. You will going to see each and everything. Okay, give the thing, and the next one is like this, and the next one is give currency, and the language is en. Give currency and the language is en. And the language is en. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, I'm in. If you are doing all these configurations in Fiori app, you will going to find a lot of lot of time wasting. Okay, why? Because it will going to take much time to configure each and every configuration. Okay, that is the main important thing. Now, can you give title, company, ship, business, crew, and search item is the ship, and the street or house number, anything, and give the post office boxes and postal code, and you can just go to the continue option and go to the save button and save it. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Okay, don't worry, it will go into save. Okay, the next thing is, okay, can you give /n? And next configuration here is we have to assign the company to company code using transaction code OX16. Can you go to the transaction code OX16? Okay, assign your company. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. So then next, so we have to create the business area using transaction code OX03. Okay, the business area using transaction code OX03, and you know it very well. What do you mean by business areas? And I mean this business area is an organizational unit within accounting system. It can be classified as geographical wise and product wise as per the requirements of an organization. Under business area, you generate financial statements of profit and loss accounts and balance sheets for each area, each business area, and will generate internal reporting, right? We were going to use the transaction code OX03. Can you go to the new entries? Go to the new entries. Yes, can you give business area anything? And give the description also. Give the description, business area for ship. Business area for ship. Remove the Sony Vizag and all. Business area for ship. We click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. The next thing here is we have to create the creation of a business functional area using transaction code FM underscore function. FM underscore function. Yes. Can you click on the enter? Can you give the functional area? Anything? Ship one. You can just give ship one. Can you go to the create option? You can just give valid from and valid to. Yes. Can you give the functional area text as business functional area? Business functional business functional area and the valid from is uh, 03 sorry 04.12.2022. Valid to is uh, expiry date is also same. No. You do one thing 03 sorry 01 dot 01 dot 03 dot 2023. 03 dot 2023. 01 dot 03 dot 2023. 2023. 01 dot 03. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Has been saved. Okay, the next thing is creation of credit control area using transaction code OB45. You know it very well. This credit control area is an organizational unit, so which is used to control the customer credit limits. Okay, that is very important. And can you go to the transaction code OB45? And this is the new address. Go to the transaction, new address, and we will going to create the credit control area. Can you give ship and currency is INR? Currency is INR. Okay, and the credit limit is 999999999999. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, good. Then next, can you give /n? Can you give /n? And the next thing here is we have to assign this company code to the credit control area using transaction code OB38. Can you go to the transaction code OB38? Yes, no. Okay, go to the SM12. Remove this thing. Click on the enter and select each and everything. Go to the delete option and save it. Everything is same. There is a slight difference between ECC and S/4HANA. Okay, we will going to discuss all these configurations in S/4HANA also. Okay, can you go to the position and give your company code? Yes, take out the credit control area, that is ship. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, now we have successfully configured the SAP FICO S/4HANA Enterprise Structure configurations and all. Okay, all of you. So in next session, we will going to see the global settings of the SAP FICO.